Don't look down.
Don't look down, don't look down. Get ready for some active days in the mountains. We spent 4 days exploring and hiking in Picos de Europa. This is where we start our active adventure, on the side of the road, where we spent the night. We drove down from San Sebastian, straight into the mountains. Look at this view, even some snow in the distance. After our coffee, playing with Buddy, we get in the car.
Yeah, we are back in the mountains.
Yes, Picos de Europa.
Picos de Europa, yeah.
We are going to Fuenta, and there is a cable car.
Cable car is going up to the
Yes.
mountains and we can walk back. 4-hour walk was it?
Yeah.
Going back to the car.
But we're not sure because this one is making everything difficult. We're not sure if Buddy can come with us. Well, Buddy can't go. He can only travel in a bench. We did not bring one because, well, look, he's huge. If you bring a bench with us, we have no space for our own stuff. So, we're doing a walk with him down here in the rain. And then we put him in the car and we go up with the cable car because we do want to see the sights.
Hola.
Buenos días.
We appreciate your support to ensure the sustainability of the national park. Enjoy your trip.
You enjoying it?
Sorry.
Don't look down.
Don't look down, don't look down. Look up, look up. Oh.
Thank you. Snow! There is snow!
Yay! It's even snowing right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna go from here up to the top. Try it.
It's a 15 minutes walk, but
Now it's snowy.
it's snowy and it is very steep, the snow sometimes.
Yeah. Oh no.
Very deep. It's 40 centimeters of snow, I think. But a shame.
It's a shame Buddy can't come with us.
Yes.
I've got a poo bag with me, an empty one, and I'm gonna put some snow in it. For Buddy.
Bring it.
And bring it to Buddy! Yeah!
That's fun.
Huh?
One snowball.
Yes.
It's very windy upside, uphill.
After walking around for a bit, I collect some snow for Buddy, so he can see it too.
Yay! Some snow for the buddy. We're going back.
Going back with the snow in the backpack.
What a nice car.
A lovely car and a lovely dog. Hello?
Hello? We have something for you.
Oh, it's locked. Hello? I have a present for you. You want to come out? Come.
Hey man. Gingen we even zonder jou?
But I have a present for you.
Ga daar kijken.
Sneeuw. Sneeuw. Yes, snow.
Oh.
Huh? Oh, sneeuw. Little did we know, this wasn't the only snow we would see today. Half an hour drive towards the campsite, we ended up here, high up in the mountains. Do you want to go to the snow? Snow!
Woohoo! Snowy! If we can get up with the dog to the cable car, then we go with our own car to the snow.
Yes! Happy dog! Happy dog! This is home for the night. Tomorrow we're gonna do a hike of 24 kilometers. So nice to stay here. Morning. Cold night here in the mountains, but in the alu cab and the sleeping bags it was pretty decent. So we've got enough energy for a new active day today. As you can see, we are on our hike. And look, we're gonna go walk in that. They say it's one of the most beautiful hikes in all of Spain. So yeah, let's see. Ruta del Cares is a mountain path connecting two small villages. In the old time, in snowy winters, this was the only way to reach both. It was made in the early 1900s. Here, a part of the path collapsed and a new walkway was constructed. After this hike, we were tired. We found a spot to spend the night, just a few minutes further up on the road.
Hey man, gaan we er lekker uit? Hebben we weer lekker slaapjes gedaan? Lekker naar buiten? Ja! Zo.
So just waking up.
Coffee. A little bit cold here,
Yeah.
but we have good sleep after the hike. We hiked 18 kilometers, I think. Maybe 20.
Oh, yeah. We were so tired yesterday. We just chilled inside the alu cab, drank some wine,
Watched some movies.
and just slept till late. But it was a good hike.
Very good hike here.
Yeah.
When you're at Picos de Europa, go to this hike. It's
Yeah.
fantastic.
Definitely.
There we go.
There we go. waiting for the taxi bus to go to the Lagos. What are they called?
I don't know what the name is.
Let's see. We're going to some lakes.
Yesterday we drove to this city, and normally you can go with your own car, but now in Spain there's some special holiday. The road to the lakes is closed, and you have to go by taxi. Yesterday we decided not to go, and I wake up this morning and I thought, yeah, why not? Yeah, we are in this place and we have to see it. Just decided back to the to this little village, and now we are waiting for the taxi
to go to the Lagos de Covadonga.
We had some tips from Marianne that we have to go to this place.
So still half an hour wait, and then we can go. But at least we're sitting dry.
You'll hear the bells ringing of the church, and we will show you also the church. It's a beautiful one. You need to in the back of the taxi.
Con la de los 1200 años de la batalla de Covadonga en el año 718. Esta ley.
Vale, pues eso.
Gracias.
2 menos de 1 hora.
Yes.
We arrived.
Yes, we have an hour.
I know. And you can walk up and look that way, I think. So we're back in the taxi.
Look at our wet hoods.
We had only 1 hour to visit the lakes,
Yes.
and then the taxi goes back to the city or to the village.
But it was very beautiful.
Beautiful, and it's raining. And then we go to the next city, Santiago.
Santiago de Compostela.
That's a 4-hour drive, and that's our next video, I think.
Yes, we could drive for the rain, I think.